What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing orange Sprunki. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Now I want to leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's draw a straight line going across the center of each eye for the eyelid. And we'll trace the bottom half of the eye along the inside from the pupils. Now we're going to fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now we're going to line up with the top edge of the eyes, move out towards the side, draw a straight line coming down, and I'm just going to line that up on the right. From the top and bottom, draw a straight line going out towards the ends, and it'll flatten off the outside. Let's connect the inside corners with a curve going up toward the top of the head, go all the way across, and then back down. Let's do the same thing across the bottom, starting on the left corner, coming down, across, and then up. Let's add some more detail to the face. We're going to start with the hair, starting on the left side, draw a straight angle line coming down and in, go straight up, across towards the right eye, and up in an angle. Let's add a curve across the top of each eye for the eyebrows. Tuck the one on the right in behind the hair. Let's come all the way down towards the bottom and add a curve for the mouth. Now we're going to go back to the headphones. From these two corners we're going to step down, draw a half circle. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the headphones. We're going to draw a curve going up, go across, and then back down. Let's move to the outside. We're going to draw that same curve. Just going to follow this all the way up toward the top, and then down on the right side. On either side, let's draw two large circles for the antennas. We're going to start on the left, go all the way around, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right side. On the inside, let's draw two straight angled lines coming in towards the head. Let's move down underneath the head and draw on the side of the body. Starting on the left, draw a straight angled line coming down. Go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. And we'll close this off with a straight line. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of orange Sprunki. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll try to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.